This will be a more in-depth look at the ticketing system within Vision. Ticketing has several distinct components to satisfy service provider and subscriber requirements. At its core, Vision ticketing exists to record and more easily resolve problems. Vision begins by first assigning tickets explicitly to the service, invoice, or location they affect. Within Vision, we narrow this focus further by providing multiple dimensions with which to categorize tickets, such as problem categories and subcategories. Let's dig in by creating a new ticket. As you likely already know, there are multiple ways to add a new ticket. We'll start by clicking on the Create a Ticket button on the dashboard. From here, we'll select a subscriber. You now have the option to either enter information manually or choose a previously created template. When using a template, you also have the option to automatically start the associated dynamic workflow. Within the notes, you can format text, add tables, and attach photos to document any actions taken to resolve an issue. For instance, an on-site tech can take pictures of a location to document damage or potential interference. When ready, click Add Ticket. You'll now see the ticket interface. If using a template, most information will already be completed. Otherwise, fill out as much as possible to fully take advantage of the ticketing system. Let's associate a contact first. Here you can choose the location. The subscriber's location is selected by default. Associate a service package item or a network event and add a contact email address and phone number. We can see individuals and groups that the ticket is assigned to, as well as its priority and categories. Below, you'll see a log of all changes made to the ticket. This shows when things are changed or added and by whom. In the log, you can click the menu icon for options on each entry. Here you can click Reply to send an email regarding the note, edit the note to add more detail, make the note public on the subscriber portal, or add an attachment. In the gray bar above the ticket log, you have several icons where you can take more actions with the ticket. Clicking the Send SMS or Send Email icons will bring up an editor where you can format text. You can save any email or SMS as a template for use in future communications. Adding a note will bring up a simple editor to quickly add things to the log. You can also view associated network events where you can see all information regarding the event. Click on the Workflows icon to either add a dynamic workflow or view the workflow in progress. Dynamic workflows allow you to create a process to solve more complex issues. We go over the use of dynamic workflows in the video linked above. You can view the associated invoice or package items, add attachments, and bring up directions and drive time to the associated location. Clicking the menu icon brings all the options up and allows you to switch the subscriber associated with this ticket. Click the refresh icon to head back to the ticket log. There are two ways to close a ticket. You can change the status to close by clicking the status here. In many cases, you may want to write a note to add closing remarks. Start a new note, write and format, then click Add Note and Close Ticket. This will close the ticket and mark your note as closing remarks.